Hello everybody, it's Corina here. It's a Sunday midday, a very gloomy day in England, and I thought I would share with you a few tricks and tips that I've learned um, from other YouTubers, of course, regarding Canva and how you can enhance your photographs and the various tricks that Canva allows you to do in order to make more interesting and more fun photos to use in all of your promotional materials or on your social media. So let's press on. Let's press create a design, then edit photo. And what shall we take? Let me take this photo of the rose. Let's see what are they going to do with the quality of it. There you are. It's a nice rose. I took a photo a few weeks ago. Let's click edit photo. This is going to open it in a new page. Press on it. Press edit image. Background remover. This is something that I've always wanted to learn. I was mesmerized when I was able to see in magazines or in other YouTubers, images without any background. I had no clue how to do that. There you are. I don't think it's very bad at all. What one can do in order to increase the quality is one can click erase, click on the brush size. We're going to take a small one, and what you can do, you can see, you can really erase the parts that you don't want to have. There you are. I'm not going to be very precise. You can change the size of the brush even smaller in order to increase the quality. Let me just do this one a little bit here and a little bit here. And there we are. In case you want to go back to your previous image, whatever you had, you can restore. And if you want to restore, for example, I want to restore here something, whatever I took out, see? I can press like this and there you are, it's back. Never mind, let's just go back to where it was. So, as you've seen, you just click of a button and you'll end up having an image without any background. Let's move on. Let's move on and see what else one can do with Canva. Let's apply some filters. Let's see what filters they have available here. You can, again, I used to, oh wow, that's quite good, isn't it? Lovely, it's really vibrant. So you can play with these images and choose the variation that really suits you most. It's very versatile, as you can see. You go back and even into the grayscale, which is very good when you want to publish a book, for example, a black and white one, and it's really, I recommend you to use a grayscale because it is going to give you a very good resolution, but also a very good image. They are able to make this, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow, I quite like that. I'll keep it. Let's copy this page and we move to another thing that we can do. Edit image again. What else? We've had filters, you've seen, we've had the background remover, we have liquify. That's a very fun bit. It's just a bit of playtime. Yeah, it's quite fun. They're moving, twisting, turning, just, it's like I always used to say, it's the same and yet so different. The same and yet so different. What else we can do? We can go back to shadow. Let's see whether we can do any shadowing with this. You can see the shadow coming here. This is very good when you have to present the image. For example, let's say that you want to sell it as a card. It's very good because you can have it standing a little bit standing out from the crowd, or here, or you can have a curved one, or the page lift, or the backdrop. It just makes it a bit more alive, as you can see. Shall we, let's keep the glow and go back to image again. Let's see what else we can do. Come on. Image, click on the image, edit image. That's a very good one we can to do, the smart mockups. They're extremely good for people who sell things, for designers, but not only. Let's click on that and see what is happening. There you are. You have your image of a rose on your phone or on your laptop. Or why not? You can have it as a greeting card or in a big frame or on a book. Now they have Canva has quite a good selection of smart mockups. You know, they are sufficient for somebody who is at the beginning of their career as a designer or as any artist who want to start selling their products as a print on demand. Let's see what else they have. So various phones. Okay, let's press see all so we can have a better idea. Let's go down. So we've seen the mugs. Let's put, for example, let's see it on a t-shirt. A few seconds, then you want your image on a t-shirt. So, and here again, you can make it all bigger, come back to the page, bring it in, and voila, your rose, my rose on a t-shirt. Let's go up again, and they want to distort it. Oh wow, I still like this image. I really do. Let's see whether when we go back to this, let's try and see how it will look with background remover. Let's remove the background of this one. Lovely. Well, go back. Oh, Pixelate. Yes, I've used this one quite recently on one of my designs. It's a very interesting way of way the colors are being combined. It gives you an idea of what colors match the others. Quite like it. Anyway, this is just a very quick and very short little video showing you a little bit of what you can do with the photographs when you use Canva. So I'm going to show you much more in my next videos, but this is just a way of introducing to you Canva and photos. Bye for now. Subscribe if you liked it or if you want to know and learn more tricks and tips of using Canva and thinking about print on demand and self-publishing. Bye.